Mazda CX-7 2012. The trailer socket was not working. Grounds were present, and there was one constant positive, but nothing else, no indicators, no lights. First, I disassembled the trailer socket itself to check the wiring. From the outside, there were visible signs of corrosion. But inside, the wires were mostly in good condition. There was a bit of corrosion, but nothing critical. Then I checked the fuse. The fuse is located under the hood. In a small fuse box, above an empty 10 slot, there should be a 20 fuse for the trailer module. The fuse was good. Next, I located the trailer module. It's in the trunk on the right side. After removing the cover, you can see a lot of wiring, and behind it, the module. I disconnected it. The connectors look clean. No signs of corrosion. There are 2 connectors, and that blue fuse is for constant power to the trailer, used in a 13-pin setup. So I removed the module. From the outside, it looked fine, no burn marks. No visible damage. I opened the cover with a screwdriver and checked inside. There were clear signs of corrosion. Water had been getting inside the module, and that was enough to damage the PCB tracks and contacts. I already cleaned most of the corrosion. The next step was to order a replacement module using the part number. Also, the customer wanted to convert from a 13-pin to a 7-pin socket. So I installed a used module instead of a new one, replaced it, and everything started working. Since I installed a 7-pin socket instead of 13-pin, I removed the constant power fuse because it's no longer needed. Installed the new socket. The only downside is that it opens from the side, which is not very convenient. If I flip it upwards, it doesn't open fully. And finally, I installed the 20A fuse, and now everything works as it should. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and check out my channel for more real workshop videos.